Polymatarics helps complex hardware scale from prototype to production without structural collapse. Hardware scale fails when hidden risks compound across architecture, supply chain, and teams. This is the prototype to production chasm where promising engineering teams often hit their limits. We provide the operating model authority to build systems that build products. We turn hidden scale risk into clear decisions, stronger execution, and avoid costly surprises. Our 5-pillar model stress tests the system before production load exposes weakness. We audit the full hardware stack across these 5 pillars: architecture, Sim2 real, quality and compliance, manufacturing, supply chain, and operating model. The result is scale confidence, clearer priorities, and board-ready execution documentation. Our methodology moves from independent audit to implementation to strategic oversight. We work with founders, investors, and hardware teams approaching production scale. Polymatarics builds the systems that allow advanced products to scale. Build scale that lasts with Polymatarics. Visit us at polymatarics.com for more information.